everybody. GM, happy freaking, happy Wednesday. What's going on? I'm Mr. Fun Guy. Nice to see everybody. Had to take Saturday off. Migraines. Been dealing with some next shit. So you notice I'm a little bit different tonight. Not wearing this over my ears. Feels too compressed. And yeah, I kind of got a little bit of a different focus. I'll be looking more straight ahead while I'm playing my game. But I'll still, say hi and whatnot and what's up and be a part of the whole fun. And yeah, pretty much plan for today is we're going to go ahead and give out NFTs when I win and showcase a little bit of, what I've been building. And yeah, I'm pretty stoked. It should be a lot of fun tonight. So, yeah, and I've been playing. I've been brushing up a little bit of my stumbles. So I'm pretty stoked. Try to get a little bit closer. I've been working on this pass, trying to get to level 60, so I can open up 5 more of these boxes, and then I'm trying to get more keys. And if I can get to this guy right here, like, he looks wild, the Midnight Cacto. I don't get it though. You have to reach level 100, and he's only epic. I guess I'm not 100% sure how that part works, but yeah, no, I made sure to get this guy because I wanted him. But yeah, it'll be fun. So I'm gonna go ahead turn on some tunes here. Let's see. Let me find. Oh, I haven't even opened up my Discord since I rebooted. Proper procedure when it comes to all this, at least for myself, is making sure I do a full, clear everything out, do a full reboot and all that crap. Make sure it's all running smooth. Get all the RAM cleared out and all that layer 2 cache. Shit's been hanging on for a minute, All right. Let me find. There's Revolutionize. Brother's been it's been a little bit since dude made a lot of these, but he is one of our resident Suno artists. And we will get What's up, Mad Fisher? How's it going, brother? Facing the world, hearts turn to stone. But in crypto's realm, a new dawn breaks. A community forms, forging our own stakes. We're not just investors, we're the crypto crew, rising from the ashes in something new. Rejected no more in this digital space. We found our home in this crypto place. Through the ups and downs, in the market's wild swings, we've learned to adapt to the world that crypto brings. Together we stand in this decentralized sphere, a testament to resilience for all to hear. We're not just investors, we're the crypto crew, rising from the ashes in something new. Rejected no more in this digital space. We found our home in this crypto place. Through the ups and
downs. In the market's wild swings, we've learned to adapt to the world that crypto brings. Together we stand in this decentralized sphere, a testament to resilience for all to hear. In the blockchain's embrace, we chart our course, navigating tides with unyielding force. From coins to tokens, we've seen it all. In this crypto clubhouse, we'll never fall. We're not just investors, we're the crypto crew, rising from the ashes in something new. Rejected no more in this digital space. We found our home in this crypto place. In the valley of rejection, we stand alone, facing the world, hearts turn to stone. But in crypto's realm, a new dawn breaks. A community forms, forging our own stakes. We're not just investors, we're the crypto crew, rising from the ashes in something new. Rejected no more in this digital space. We found our home in this crypto place. Through the ups and downs, in the market's wild swings, we've learned to adapt to the world that crypto brings. Together we stand in this decentralized sphere, a testament to resilience for all to hear. We're not just investors, we're the crypto crew, rising from the ashes in something new. Rejected no more in this digital space. We found our home in this crypto place. In the blockchain's embrace, we chart our course, navigating tides with unyielding force. From coins to tokens, we've seen it all. In this crypto clubhouse, we'll never fall.
Nice.
We're not just investors, we're the crypto crew, rising from the ashes in something new. Rejected no more in this digital space. We found our home in this crypto place. In the blockchain's embrace, we chart our course, navigating tides with unyielding force. From coins to tokens, we've seen it all. In this crypto clubhouse, we'll never fall. We're not just investors, we're the crypto crew, rising from the ashes in something new. Rejected no more in this digital space. We found our home in this crypto place.
All right. What is up, you guys? What is up? All right, I'm gonna tone down the tunes for just a moment here. Man, yeah. What is up, Professor? How's it going, Mad Fisher? Ooh, early birthday looks. Your birthday is tomorrow, brother? Hell yeah, man! Happy early birthday, dude. Yeah, that's freaking awesome, man. What's up, Tim? Big, huge welcome, Professor, man. How you doing, brother? It's been a hot minute. Well, it's been a couple weeks. I wasn't there last weekend, so I saw like yesterday that I won the Slato DevNet thing from Sunday. So I'm like, yeah, 70 DevNet soul. All right. Oh man, if that was real soul, that'd be freaking hella cool. Um, but yeah, what is up, you guys? The freaking gotta say, huge shout out to Revolutionize, this badass guy right here. Long time rejected fam made. He uses Suno. It's AI music generator, and he's got like 50 some songs in here, so we'll be able to jam out, play some stumbles. Where can you find it? Here, let's give you the link directly to his playlist. Show some love to this guy right there. Just put that in the chat for you guys. And you should be able to see that on the YouTube side also. I'm not sure if you're able to see that on the x.com side or not. But let me. You know what I can do though is I will post a link manually in the chat, not in the actual stream because I don't want to get any sort of like a feedback loop. But I did. Yeah, there you go. I did post that there, so yeah, there's like 50 some songs, all different variations of Clubhouse Jam, and we'll get funky with it. There's some good ones, so yeah, let's see. Test. All right. Make sure my microphone's loud enough you guys can hear me. I have to have this at an angle here tonight, and can't have too much crap on my head. I've been dealing with just these neck pains coming right up the back there and freaking up over, like just migraines like I haven't dealt with before. So yeah, one of those things where I'm just kind of like taking it easy. So I figured tonight would be fun. We'll, like I said, we'll hang out, and I'll get some stumble guys in. Anybody who wants to play along, more than welcome to. I can get a game going. Otherwise, what I'm thinking of is we'll play some. I'll play some rounds where my thought is especially if I can get a win, I'll give out pretty much NFTs to everybody if you want to claim them. So we got some people in here though tonight. This is cool, and you guys are all on. We got Professor on X. We've got Fisher World Boss. What's up, brother? Fisher World Boss and Tim. I am Tim too on the Twitch side. So I mean, we might, if we get enough people that are hanging out on Twitch, I might be able to do some marbles tonight. So we'll see. Otherwise, what I'd really like to do is if at some point, I do good enough, and you got to cheer me on though, because otherwise, I won't do as good of a job. If you guys are like, yeah, let's go, Mr. Fun Guy, kick these stumble guys' asses, like if you don't cheer me on well enough, I can't win. So when I do win, especially on the X side of things, is if you repost the stream, the live stream account, or the live stream right now that we got, and do a quote repost, right? So you just pretty much take two friends and add your Solana wallet, and if I win a game or I win a match, I'll be passing out NFTs to every person who does that. So it's like a guaranteed win. All you gotta do is help spread the word. So the more people that are watching, the more people are gonna win NFTs from me. And for those of you guys who do know, man, I got a lot of NFTs to give out. I'm actually trying to give out some cool IRL packs to some people, just a couple groups here in the Twin Cities. So you know, fingers crossed they want them. You know, like we might be able to get up to 100 new holders is my aim at the moment. So, yeah, yeah. All right, let's have some fun here. Get some music going. Get some, yeah. Where did I put that screen? Because my favorite version of Welcome to the Funkhouse is this guy right here. Get ready for this shit. Oh, sorry about that. There we go. I gotta say though, I have been killing it lately. Definitely been doing better. Oh, I say that, and then I did. There we go. Good God. Getting smacked around by all these other guys. Oh no. Oh God. Yeah, these freaking dinosaurs, man. I did get a couple first places earlier today, so. All right, that's first round. Slato, what is up, you guys? We got Slato in the house. Yo, yo, yo. GM, you guys. Alright. I can do this shit. Oh. Man, this is funny how random this shit can get. Man. Yeah. This one is a little pain in the ass if you don't get all the way to the top. We've learned to adapt to the world that I've done on this map. Oh. Man. Fuck.
We chart our course, navigating tides with unyielding force. From coins to tokens, we've seen it all. In this crypto clubhouse, we'll never fall. We're not just investors, we're the crypto crew. Rising from
All right. That one didn't go as well as I wanted. That one didn't go as well. We'll go again though. We'll go again. That's the worst I've done on that map, so I'm not too concerned. We'll go another round. So really cool, really cool update though for you guys for what I've been working on. Just finished the Binance staking platform, EVM staking platform. So it's 100% done now. Like everything you can do on the Solana side, soft stake, you can change all your settings. I've got, well, it's not 100%. I gotta there's a couple tweaks I should say, like the analytics and stuff. I just gotta set that stuff up, but all the actual functions are done now. Really freaking hyped about it. I'm about to be able to offer all this stuff to EVM now, so not just through the Clubhouse, but through an actual self-branded modular, paid staking platforms that actually start offering solutions to people, Yeah, dude, the whole the cross-chain concept of what I'm about to be able to do with everything is just, I'm getting really excited, you guys, about this shit, because I right now, once I finish up this last little bit on the Binance side, I figure it'll only take me at most maybe 2 days to push a brand new chain live for the whole platform. And that's like not just like to get it to work or something like that, but like an actual full-fledged system solution that's really easy to cookie cut, essentially. Like I'll be able to deploy this stuff back to back and have multiple platforms I guess not just like deployed whatnot quickly, but just helping a lot of different projects all at once. Oh man, no. Mother ever. Oh, I got in. Oh, that's hilarious. So yeah. So how do you join in on the giveaways? Yes. You are on, so you're doing man, Radiata. If you're new to the community, like it depends, So I like to onboard people one by one. So those that are looking to join a community, get to know people, stick around a little bit, like I might offer, free NFTs to a lot more people than just a couple, that's the best part about, having my own project is I've been investing back in myself, for years at this point. Sorry, I'm rambling as I'm trying not to die for these guys. Oh, you sons of monkeys. Yes. I did it. So, everybody was wanting to know, how do you win an NFT? Absolutely everybody that reposts the stream, whether it's basically 99% Solana, but it's cool. Yeah, that's what it's about, man. I mean, like, it's more than just Solana. And Solana doesn't really pay attention to what I've been building anyway. So, you know, another crown. You like that? That's my crown right there. So yeah, everybody wins. So yeah, you want a free NFT? Repost, retweet the space, retweet the live stream, tag a person, and take one friend that you haven't tagged before that hasn't, like, take somebody new, make it a good one, you know, like somebody you know, not just some random ass tag, like show some people what you're looking at, you know, like make it a real tag, please. I'd appreciate it. But yeah, take somebody, drop your Solana wallet on the quoted retweet of the event on Twitter, and everybody that does that, simple as this. I'll show you. So we're watching me right now. This is the space that we're on. So you do a quote retweet. Yeah, you'll tag. You know what? You can tag. I don't know. You take Elon, and then drop your Solana wallet or something like that. And what's your, you know, I'll hook you up. So I'll be doing a mixture of GMers NFTs. I've made some cool pixel GMers. We've got regular OG GMers. I've also got a bunch of booster cards from GM Life, or not GM Life. I'm sorry, Rejected Idol. And I do have some GM Life booster cards too. And I will be giving out one, maybe two OG rejects to some OGs that actually do this. So if you're not a holder and you know you're actually somebody who's trying to become part of the community, the project, trying to get to know, you know, what we're doing or whatever, I'll hook you up, you know. So just take somebody, drop your wallet, quote, retweet, and also do me a favor and make sure you do the bookmark on those. Apparently it helps the algorithm that much more. So but yeah, every single person that does that, I guarantee you I will send you out an NFT. I will add all of your wallets to a list and send everybody an NFT, if not one from multiple different collections. I've got like 13, 14, 15 different collections in my different, you know, ecosystem of communities that I work with and own. So yeah, how about that, you guys? Like, we got you guys just got to see me win that shit live. That's pretty fun. Second try. Nice, more ability tokens. I need those, I'm sure. I like to punch and throw stuff at people. Yeah, very very worst case scenario. And oh yeah, you're doing that in Twitch. So if you're on the Twitch side, I'd say run over to X for a minute and knock that out, and then come back over. We got a good group here tonight, you guys. We got a few people watching. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, we're gonna go again. So, what's up? Oh, Canisol. Alright, really quick. Alright. Y'all showed up. So, because I'm gonna turn this down to my own ears because I'm listening to the song. So Canasols hit me up, and they're they're asking about the staking system and stuff like that from before, because before our exploit, we had just, or right after the exploit, I had just given or reminted all the tokens for them and everything to help them because they were affected in the exploit. And right after that, though, it's like it got to the point where it's like the site wasn't doing it for us, and that's when I started doing the dev work myself. But when I redeployed the platform myself, I took away all of the ability for any other control of staking. We used to have like a whole customized staking system for people. I took that away just because I wasn't able to build that myself yet at that point. So what I did, for those of you guys who may or may not been keeping up with the building, so this is something I built here. Now, what I wanted to do is create something specifically for projects that need staking, make it a simple solution, and make it so it's easy to deploy, maintain, update, expand onto, whatever, modular, very modular, and for myself to be able to just go, right? So what I did was I created this platform where it allows me to right now I'm gonna add this guy to check this out. I mean, I'm guessing that's you, Snoop, over there, right? So I hit admin, or add admin. Admin added successfully. I think you could see that down there maybe. And then I go over, well, now when you go to the page, you should have full access to what you're seeing here. So the cool part about this system specifically is it gives you full control over your multipliers for each collection. You can add an unlimited amount of any style NFT, so it doesn't matter if it's at least on the Solana side, it doesn't matter if it's a compressed or PNFT, ONFT, core. I even got token 2022s working in this thing, guys. Like, they're tokens, but they're also NFTs. I've got my system to do that. It auto detects and seamlessly differentiates between them and makes it work like you don't even realize. Like, you don't even understand. It doesn't matter as long as you put the right collection address in there, whether it's the first verified creators or it's the actual collection address or the Merkle tree, whatever it is, you put the right address in there, that'll work for you. Cool, right? Freaking cool. That alone, I'm geeked about that. I got it set up where you can add up to 4 different tokens for rewards. I didn't want to give it more than that essentially, but now the way that I have the contract set up is it does 4 different transactions anyway. So the claim transaction system will make you claim 4 different accept 4 different transactions, 1 for each token. So that way it guarantees the right amount back and forth. The whole thing has to complete in order for it to send back and forth. It's pretty decent, and it also keeps people from being able to deal with like the race conditions and stuff like that, and exploits. I've got all that kind of stuff covered. Set up your own multipliers, pretty simple. Just separate your NFTs by a comma. Set your own fees, but you got your base fee. This is where you're allowed to monetize it yourself, and essentially, like good example is Omerta uses a lot higher fees for their staking, but what they use those fees for is to help build the actual rewards that are in the pools that you're earning. So there's reasons for what they do and how their economy works. So this allows you to monetize on top of the actual platform fees. Set your own staking wallet, full freaking AWS secrets manager is active. You use your base 58 encoded private key. Now you do have to copy your actual private key and paste it here, but how my system works is it actually uses a two-way encryption, and it doesn't even store your password unencrypted. It's only stored encrypted. So, or your key, your private key, it's an encrypted storage. So like, this is enterprise level or enterprise grade private key, like customer private key handling and everything like that. I built this shit myself. Like, this is from ground up. Just so you know, like, I didn't use anybody else's code except for what my agent and I have built together and tested and tweaked. And I've specifically, like, this is a lot of hours of testing, a lot of hours of making sure this is exactly where I want it to be. Branding system allows me to go through and I can change whatever name, product bio I want. This all instantaneously switches, all like as soon as you hit refresh, or sometimes instant, like background image. This is what we're looking at. Spaceballs. So like I can do, check this out really quick. I don't know, let's do what's a fun one? I did Spaceballs last time. How about The Office? That's always a fun one. So we'll just take that and put that there, and then we can show you. We'll change the panel backgrounds to that. Oh, maybe not that. That'd be too bright. And we'll do. Yeah. See, that's just, you can self-brand the whole system to yourself instantly that fast. You can change all the button colors. You can do it all. It all is customizable through all these different branding tiles. Your dashboard colors, your NFTs colors, status alerts, text even. Set your social links, all that, you're set. My super admin ability allows me to disable and enable things. I've got my, as you saw when I first started up, I can instantly add anybody as an admin. This is my testing, my demo page. So anybody who wants to test it, I freely let you test it, have fun, mess around, see how it feels. I even built in a whole airdrop management system for you. So you can actually go through and instantly push your own airdrops. They pop up in the front right here. Just a little click here to claim. It's really nice. It works really freaking smooth. And then I've got a full analytics page for your main like financial analytics, and then the actual staking NFT analytics as far as, you know, stakers and who's got what and that kind of stuff and the amount and all that good stuff. So little breakdown. The only reason why I was showing you guys right off the bat here is, one, I just finished the whole Binance side of this thing today. So there's that one right there, and then I can turn around and show you this guy, which is the whole same thing, but this time it's on Binance EVM. So I built this whole platform out as well, doing the same exact thing, where you're able to go through and set your different collections up for 721 and 1155 tokens, NFTs, and then you can use any ERC 20 token as a reward token. Up to 4 tokens can be rewarded for a single player or for a single staker. You know, like, so this is all about to go live on Binance EVM also. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to be starting to roll this out for any other blockchain. If you need it, like, it's 2 days I can deploy a brand new blockchain and have a solution ready to go for up to Could probably push about 15 to 20 projects live a day if I really needed to. So, um, yeah, like, and this is solo dev by myself that I can do this all without it. Like, I am the team. So, like, that's what's live right now. But anyway, remember you guys had a chance to win an NFT earlier, right? So those of you who were hanging out earlier, you guys all had a chance to win. I hope you took that opportunity and chance to win. Cause we're gonna play some more. We're gonna get some more hype going here, you guys. Stumble guys time. Stumble guys. I already won a first place once. Let's go for some more, right? Cause I don't really world boss. Imagine being able to pump these out to different chains. That's what I'm. That's the crazy part. Is I It's not just imagine, bro. It's not just imagine, but I already can. I 2 days per chain tops for a brand new chain to implement and get somebody live, and then after that, for like I can put up to 20 people live a day, or 20 projects live a day on like with how I built my deployment pipeline and my system and my infrastructure for my databases. Oh, I was just showcasing my new staking platforms, John Z. What's up, brother? How you doing, man? I was just showing I got both Binance. I just finished 99% of Binance today. I just got to finalize just a few different like kinks and quirks, to make it work just how I want it to, like the Solana side does. But I'm pretty freaking stoked, you guys. I'm pretty freaking stoked about what I've been able to do. No, what's really crazy though, imagine, world boss, imagine when I set this up for the Clubhouse, and I'm about, like, I already got the whole structure built now. I just got to go through and actually start doing the migration. I got my plan put together. I got all the details lined out for the entire Clubhouse to set it up to be fully brandable, self-brandable, just like you saw with the switch, the images, the colors, all that kind of crap for the entire Clubhouse, on top of being able to set up each and every transaction to be able to be monetized by the community that I allow white labeling it. So imagine people being able to have all of their own versions of the Clubhouse fully white labeled and self-customizable devless solutions, and they're able to take 20% off the top to their community. I mean, granted, I'm not giving out those platforms for free, so there's going to be a cost up front. I provide the platform for them, but it's going to allow people to not just have their own Clubhouse, but it's going to connect to all the other Clubhouses. How I built my database structure and the like how I'm creating this is parts will be separated. So like the staking, like specifically certain stats and stuff like that. But then there's going to be a whole nother level of layer of global stats, global staking stat. Like if one person, like how you go to the Clubhouse right now, you can add your own project to my platform. You add your own NFT collections. You can add whether you're on Solana or Base, add your own token, add your own NFT. Instant, it's like $2, something like that. I forget what I do the fees, just so you don't spam my servers. It'll cost you, which is, I mean, if you want to put a bunch of silly projects in there that don't matter, then cool. God bless you. Thanks for the $2 storage for the image. But like I've got it set up so you can add all that yourself. But imagine if like a bigger project is getting more people using their platform from outside their community, and there's people adding, you get a chunk of that fee. Then at that point you get like all those different projects, they'll still be able to add themselves to the Clubhouse. That's only going to build the whole collective Clubhouse like conglomerate, right? Like the collective database. So it's not even, there's going to be massive like connected hubs, and like you get, I don't think people are ready for what I built. I don't even think our community is fully ready for what I've already, like, what's coming. And this is like a month. Give me give me like, and it's not gonna take me that long to build this part out, you guys. Like, we've got 89, we've got 89 people watching right now. Like, this is we got a decent group. So for those of you guys who don't know what I'm talking about, for what I'm building, what I'm about to be able to allow all these different projects and communities to, whether it's a brand new meme coin or a long time community trying to derug a project, it doesn't matter. Um, Giving one an instant solution, no matter which one of the clubhouses you're using. Um, you're able to have your own community space there, your own chat, your own. You guys can use um, the rejected rumbles, the idle, like all the different games and stuff. Everything is going to be able to be um, essentially also monetized by that specific community that white labels the platform for themselves. And then at that point, it doesn't matter who uses which platform. It's like, if you'd rather support the rejects, then yeah, use the rejected clubhouse because they get the full amount. But hey, maybe you're more of like, let's say Empire gets their own clubhouse in the future, and the Empire's got they're always hyping their own side of things, right? They're always reinvesting back in their own stuff and building their own side of things up further and further and further. So it would only make sense that if they had their own clubhouse, the people that they're connected to would use that over my clubhouse, which is fine because it still helps the rejects out in the long run, right? We get the benefit from the upfront, from the bringing onboarding of a new community, the financial side of that, plus the long term 80% of the platform fees. But then that project is now able to utilize their 20%, possibly tax stuff on. Like, there's levels of stuff I'm about to be offering, plus the clubhouse passes. Like, it's gonna be fun. Devless solutions and like incredibly high levels of self customizability for your platform. I think that's where it's all going to start going for utility when it comes to what's needed in Web3 for different projects and what just community usage means these days. Like, I think that's just kind of where it's heading, and I'm trying to do my best to give people that up front and show them like, hey, this is just going to make it easier now. So yeah, we're trying to make that whole foundational level of what universal standard utility, I forget. But so how it works, you guys. If you want to win an NFT, when I get my first place, I will give you guys an opportunity to do a retweet, and I'll give you instructions, and that will be your way to claim your prize. So hang tight, let's see what happens. We're gonna go for some first place hype here, right? That's the goal. I mean, for those of you guys who've watched me in the past, you might realize I've gotten quite a few first place wins, so it's not a stretch to assume that I have the ability to knock this out. No, I didn't get first on that one. Oh well. They still got the qualification. They still got plenty of opportunity here though. 3 tries to get first. Turn that down just a little bit.
We stand alone, facing the world, hearts turn to stone. But in crypto's realm, a new dawn breaks, a community forms, forging our own.
Nice. The sticky floor worked. I hate that laser. I hate that laser map, so I'm glad that wasn't the final round. Oh, I can normally do the decent job on this one. This looks like the other dragon guy though. I'm a little worried. I think. I don't know if I should be or not, but. Nice. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Crap. Oh man. Oh, that dude got so freaking lucky right there. Oh man, you know what though? That's okay. That's okay. So, you know what? Even though I didn't get the first place on that one, because I should have, like, I was above him, and then all of a sudden it did that. So, you know what? I'm going to give you guys an opportunity. Second opportunity to win. I'm going to give half the people that, and this is going to be just totally chosen at random, but half the people, if you repost the live stream, right? We got 100 people watching. You repost the stream with the quote retweet and take 2 friends, drop your wallet. Half the people that post, I will be dropping either, I got Pixel GMers and I got some Rejected Idol booster cards to give out. So I think that's a decent consolation prize for tonight on that one. Yeah, the last second glitch, man. F that, right? F that. So, I mean, potentially up to 50 people can get some prizes here. So, or could win an NFT. So, like, if we get 100 quoted retweets with all that follow through, then hey, you know what? We'll or 50 quoted retweets. Well, you know how the math works, right? I'll let you guys do the math. Well, I'll worry about the math tomorrow, as normally how it works. I'll go back through everything and make sure I take care of it. Oh, let's do the spin. Let's see how that goes. I love these wheel spins. They're always fun. Oh, I was hoping for that skin. The bolt. I should have had him. Oh, I see. That's funny. There we go. Alright. You guys want another chance to win some NFTs? Yeah, I'm feeling in a given mood, you guys. Feeling in a given mood. I mean, I'd love to give out a few hundred NFTs today. That'd be awesome. So, cool. I'll go into it in a second. I'll pay attention to this. Ah! I haven't done this one. Oh. I don't know if I've done this one before. We chart our course, navigating tides with unyielding force. From coins to tokens, we've seen it all in this crypto clubhouse. We'll never. Oh man, what happened to me? I just died. Oh, no, man. Ooh. Oh, I thought I had that. Oh my god. I think I've played this one once. Alright, I can't go super fast then. I have to have some brakes. Can't be all gas apparently. Oh man. There we go. Wow.
In the valley of rejection, we stand alone, facing the world, hearts turn to
Like, this is a wild freaking map.
crypto's realm. A new dawn breaks, a community for forging our own stakes. We're not just investors, we're the crypto.
I have no idea what I'm doing on this.
Rising from the ashes in something new. Rejected no more in this digital space. We found our home.
Yep, I'm not gonna get through. Yeah, this is a bad one. I'm like, like, I like playing new maps, but oh crap, dude, this is a tough one. Yeah, I suck that one. I'm not worried about that. We won't count that. We won't count that one. That's not my best one. Alright, here we go again. Next chance for you guys to win another NFT here, you guys. Everybody has a chance to win one playing. The question is let's get a roll call. How many people do we have watching via Twitch right now? Do we have enough people that I'd be able to do a round of marbles? That's my biggest question. I don't want to say turn off Stumble guys if we've only got like 2 people, 3 people listening to Twitch. Unfortunately, looks like 90% of who we got watching right now is all on X. So, I mean, not unfortunately, but it just sucks that the way the game works is it works really well for Twitch users. And not so well, or at all, I should say.
In the blockchain's embrace, we chart our course.
Oh, man, y'all darn it.
With unyielding force. From coins to tokens, we've seen it all.
Man, I almost had that first.
Never fall. We're not just investors, we're the crypto.
Thanks for hanging out, Matt Fisher. I see you.
Ashes and something new. Rejected no more in this digital space. We found our home in this crypto place. Yeah, yeah. Just investors, we're the crypto crew. Navigating tides with unyielding force. From coins to tokens, we've seen it all. In this crypto clubhouse, we'll never fall. We're not just investors, we're the crypto crew. Rising from the ashes in something new. Rejected no more in this digital space. We found our home in this crypto place. Just investors, we're the crypto crew. Rising from the ashes in something new. Rejected no more in this digital space. We found our home in this crypto place.
Man, I didn't get. That's it was like both times today. Normally I hit. How did I miss that? Most of the time I get to the top piece up there and I'm able to bypass all this crap. So much nicer being on the other end.
In the valley of rejection, we stand alone. Facing the world, hearts turn stone. But in crypto's realm, a new dawn breaks. A community forms, forging our own stakes. We're not just investors, we're the crypto crew. Rising from the ashes in something new. Rejected no more in this digital space. We found our
Oh my god. Ugh. So close. So freaking close. Man. I can't believe I missed that.
downs in the market's wild swings. We've learned to adapt to the world that crypto
Alright, we're gonna go again. We're gonna go again.
Together we stand in this decentralized sphere.
I'm determined.
Testament to resilience
Determined
for
to
all
win.
to hear. We're not just investors, we're the crypto crew. Rising from the ashes.
So what I was gonna say is one of the cool parts about, or one of the cool little tidbits, little info nuggets, if you will, about the prizes that I'm giving out today, specifically regarding the Pixel Jammers. Those of you guys who I end up giving Pixel Jammers to, the mint on Solana closed a little while ago. Cool part is the even though the 20,000 collection only ended up getting I want to say it was about 4,300 mints maybe. You know, it's all about pivot and how you pivot, right? So what I was excited to do is show people that when GMers went to, we were the first, what, I want to say it was probably the first 20,000 NFT collection, or yeah, it was 20,000, 50,000 NFTs. Oh man, I don't normally I get that. So at least I got that first on that one. Hey, that's the first right there. So you know, you want to win an NFT, retweet, retweet, tag 2 people, drop your wallet on the quote retweet. So when you retweet the space, the live stream, do a quote retweet on the live stream, main live stream, and tag 2 people. Make it some good tags, please. Like, tag people that you want, to help win shit, that haven't met, heard about us rejects, what we're building across all these different blockchains. As I was kind of getting to it, like, so half the people that, because this isn't a final or whatever, that's just a regular one, half the people that do the retweet on this, I will give out an NFT to. So do another quote retweet. Like, this is your chance to win another. Like, you can win more than once. You can win more than once. So I'd love to be spending some time writing a script tomorrow and putting everybody's information in to give out a bunch of NFTs. Just saying. Oh, you son of a bitch. Oh. Mother effer. Yeah. All right, we're getting to that last round. This is gonna be a chance for everybody to win a really do a good giveaway on this one. I'm hoping I'm giving out like 200-300 NFTs tonight, you guys. That's kind of my goal. So, yeah. So the cool part about the Pixel GMers, being that we minted a certain amount out, and they didn't. My old developer, the mint page didn't work very well, so we had some issues with that. So what I'm doing is, being that we're crossing to all these different blockchains, the Clubhouse is now EVM compatible, right? And my new, outside the rejected token, I've also got the Clubhouse Cred token that's coming to all these different EVM chains, which is live already on the EVM chains right now currently. So this isn't like it's a coming soon, or can't, I bet you can't wait till we launch this whole thing. Like, it's like, I've got it. It's deployed. It's actually my first ERC20 contract that I've ever made myself. Like, I still am pretty proud of the fact that I was able to knock out an ERC20 contract. I also deployed my first 1155 NFT collection contract as well. Oh, mother effer. Holy crap, I totally got lucky. Alright, chill. I know what I'm doing. Oh, yes. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. That feels good. Oh, yeah. Alright. So, let's do this one. I'm gonna do, we're gonna do this. So then what we'll do is I'll take this guy and I'm going to copy that. I'm going to post this in the multi-stream, and it'll be, if you're watching on X, it won't be this one specifically, it'll be the most recent post. But this post right here, on the actual giveaway time post, do a retweet, quoted retweet. Actually, you don't even have to quote retweet that, huh? Let's do some comments on this one, right? So this will be a fun one. Super simple. I won't make it too difficult. I'm just looking for a rejected GIF. Pick your favorite rejected GIF, right? And tag somebody and drop your wallet, along with the like, retweet, you know, all that. Like, you get bonus points for all that stuff. The more the more involved you are, the like if you're just like, okay, I'm just going for free stuff, you know, and you're not really trying to, then yeah, you'll still get something. But those that do a little bit extra, show a little extra love, you might get a little bit extra of a nicer NFT. So, you know, like, I'll throw that out there. You know, drop your, you know, yeah, spread the word. Tell people about what we're doing. We're having fun. By the way, I'm Mr. Fun Guy. Nice to meet you guys. We got, you know, we got 101 people watching tonight. Hell yeah. Hype, hype, hype. Hype night. Hype night. Yeah, I'm hoping we're giving away a couple hundred NFTs. That's the goal. So like we've got 90, according to this, we've got 98 people watching there, and I've got at least, I don't know, 5 plus 6 people on Twitch watching, which, you know, handful of one, handful another, that's great. And I'm offering full like, this is guaranteed giveaway right now if you do this. Like, this not like you may or may not win. No, this is guaranteed. I promise you, I will put your wallet down and you will get something in return for doing this. This is my giveaway, so I appreciate it, and thanks for hanging out, being a part of the fun. Johnsy probably remembers when I used to give out, like, you get 50 hype passes, you know, or whatever. I was doing the wax chain, because I could just mint as many as I wanted, you know, so I was passing out hype master passes like crazy. That was fun. Have to do something similar like that again in the future. Those are some good times. Difference is like there's more gas fees on everything else. Like wax, there was 0 gas if you put enough wax tokens in like your system, like your RAM and all that, your storage. It was like it ran a little NFT system for you. But yeah, hell yeah. Also cool little side note too is throw it out there for you guys, complete open invitation when it comes to you know, collaboration with other projects, other communities, that kind of stuff. If you want to be a part of what we're doing for Hype Night giveaways, you want to like, I can even make space, you know, on my layout and stuff like that. I gotta make a new one soon anyway, because this is outdated and it's not rejected labs.xyz anymore. I mean, it still is, it exists, but it's goclubhouse.io, and yeah, I mean, it's kind of it's my older setup, but we'll get an upgrade, we'll get a boost here in the near future. I think it's time to start getting, you know, a lot louder about just what we're doing. And the cool part about the Clubhouse and, you know, like what I'm building with this in general is my goal is to be as chain agnostic as possible, while still at the same time celebrating that, you know, each of the different blockchains and building on them and interacting and connecting with those chains, as well as each other's blockchains that we all like and enjoy. So you know, I'll show you really quick. Those of you guys are hanging out, I'm just gonna show you really fast what I built. Take it or leave it. So this is what I do, this is what we're building, this is the reason for Hype Night. But I built the Clubhouse, and we've got pretty much a little bit of everything that goes on in here. Got my own launch pad. We have like any NFT or can be staked for my token on Solana or Base. I've got my own games, 3 that are live. This one, GM Life, isn't fully ready yet. It's just at the beginning stages. I've got a lot of different arcade games they're so close. I just got to put some time into it. And then, man, I've got a whole community system. I've based like the foundation for a whole community ecosystem I've created. Like, there's so much. And then on top of it all, if you connect your wallet, of course, I have to go through. I gotta fix that since I did the last upgrade. the Phantom wallet's been kind of finicky on the Sol side. But the coolest part about this whole thing is I've got a massive global chat where it'll show you on Sol base. You can switch over to base side, like you can see the different communities. Each community's got its own chat. You can see all the different projects in the entire. We got 168 communities built into this. I'm going to be adding more to the active projects and whatnot, but yeah, like I've got a whole level of massive utility just in the chat alone, where you can go through and say, hey Gob, I'm gonna click on you. I'm gonna send you a tip, send some rejected tokens to you. You know, like I can send whatever I want, and it'll go through, and it'll go, you know, full tipping system. It's fully live. It works. I stealth launched an entire foundational community interconnected community ecosystem platform that's ready to very soon to be built out modular for all these different communities to order, essentially, like self-customizable, change your colors, change your logos and all your branding. Spend 5-10 minutes in my little devless admin console to knock it out and you're done. You know, like it's gonna be really nice when I'm done with this. So that's like the main reason what I'm here and what I'm doing. Like you go to my launch pad, I've got mutations, I've got my rejected idol booster cards, GM life booster cards, pixel GMers. Those are gonna, the cool part is these are, Lucy, get down. Lucy Goose, dogs on the counter. Roddies, man. Look, the crazy part about this whole freaking platform is any NFT or token can be added to it, and it all automatically works. It's all instantaneously integrated, and then you can click over to base, and now you have a whole base ecosystem where you can use your MetaMask OKX wallet. You can use different base collections. Like it's all conditionally formatted. I mean, it all works. I mean, even with the games, like I've got this working on point. Well, not on point. There's some bugs across the platform. It's a really large platform, and I haven't really been focusing on the bugs for the last 3 weeks-ish as I've been doing these different staking platforms. But once I finish this I'm about to knock out a custodial token staking platform, and then my full outside focus, or main focus, is going to be back on Clubhouse, building out mainly all the smoothing all the bugs out, and then building out the rest of the customizable features. So pretty much I'll be able to do massive updates to the platform, and it'll automatically all force update for all these different other modules that I create. So I can build on to the main Clubhouse system, and I'm going to be able to instantly push updates to each and every individual system live at the exact same time simultaneously. My deployment pipeline, I've been focusing heavily on learning how to properly set up this deployment pipeline to be able to make it so I mean, not only right now am I able to do those staking platforms on Sol, and very soon Base, or BNB, and any EVM once I get it live, but I'll be able to do that same level of pretty much, hey, you need a platform, here you go, it's live. What's your wallet address? I'll just push it for you. Like, you got access to it now because it's running. Like, I'll be able to just like that and have it up and running and working like it's supposed to. So taking that whole thing, like everything, really to a whole new level at this point, as far as what I'm able to offer as a one-man dev army, with all these different solutions to multiple blockchains. Yeah, we'll pat our rejected selves on the back a little bit, but I mean we're also still just starting to spread the word on the massive amount of utility that we've got all going live at the same time the last 6 months. So if that kind of puts anything into perspective for what our potential is, like we're a 3+ year old project as it is, and my development, like I just started working on the Clubhouse May 28th was when I started working on the Clubhouse myself of this year, May 28th. So all that you see on the Clubhouse, I built this in this platform in 6 months. But I gotta say and be completely honest, I'd say it's only 3 months worth of work compared to, and that's with both chains, all the like rebuilding the entire platform. And I'm going to be rebuilding it again in order to be able to have it so I can fully customize it now, and give it to people in these modular Clubhouse platforms. So I'm going to be going through and dissecting this thing deeply, cleaning a whole bunch of crap, and optimizing the living hell out of this thing so that way people are able to just rock it out. Like it's gonna be really nice. I feel like being able to have all these different versions of the Clubhouse, parts that are your own unique connection to your community, and the rest of it all, like being able to good example is rumbles, gamified raffles. Like you'll be able to do your own raffles on your own platform, yeah, but it's also going to be a global raffle platform system. So you'll be able to make money off of people buying in on your side. But let's say we've got another community that still wants to buy into your raffle. Well, them buying into that raffle from a different community's platform, that community will get their 20% cut off the top, from the whatchamacallit fees. It'll all work out. Like there might be different, like it's gonna be fun putting it all out and actually fully on paper so it makes sense to everybody. I'm really freaking excited for that for you guys. Let's just say the system is built. Just need to finish it up. So we're gonna play one more round of stumbles for tonight. I think one more chance for everybody to win. Give away a bunch more NFTs is my goal. We got some people. You got some people following the rules. I see you, Josh. I see you, World Boss. Make sure you guys don't forget to put your wallets. Your wallets gotta be out there too, guys. Drop your wallets in these reposts, in these retweets. Make sure you put your wallets out there. That way I can get those prizes out to everybody. All right, let's go. Let's get stumbly. I like this guy. He looks beastly. He's got like it's kind of like a dragon version of Iron Man. I noticed that, Johnsy. I know. Too cool for school. I see. But yeah, no, for real though, the one other thing I want to make sure I do revisit one more time is I would love to get some collaborative partnerships going between other communities, get other people involved in the Hype Night events, and give everybody a chance to have a chance to jump up. I mean, I've got room for at least one other person, if you want to even just be a guest spot for a night, co-host for a few times. I mean, we can definitely collaborate on cross community promotion, you know, giveaways, that kind of stuff during the event. So every Wednesday night, Saturday afternoon, Saturday morning, Wednesday night, Saturday mornings. Oh yeah, he got that guy. I like that one. That's a cool one. Something new. Digital space. Found our home in this crypto space. Yeah, dude, Canasols, man. Like, I've seen you doing your events, so like I'm using Streamlabs and whatchamacallit, OBS Ninja. So I mean, I can even yeah, I can put you, like, we can do a whatchamacallit, I want to say a chat room or something like that. Yeah, it's like a chat room or something, a video room.
Welcome to the Clubhouse.
Oh, mother.
In the valley of rejection, we stand facing the world, hearts turned to stone.
Oh, use Restream. Nice. Restream. I'm trying to think. I haven't used Restream. I just, oh, for adding up to different things to Restream to. Yeah, I just use, like, for being able to, like, chat back and forth, though, you know what I mean? Like, that's how I get my feed. Yeah, Saturday, 10 a.m. Eastern is when I do my Saturday events, so, yeah. I'd totally be down to have you on a Saturday. I know, with John Z, we've got, poker coming again too, so apologize for this last week's poker game. John Z was out of town, and I'm normally doing my, you know, my live stream, but man, the freaking like kink neck that I've got in these whatchamacallits, migraines. No joke. No joke. Breathing don't help. That kind of thing. It gets bad. So I didn't do anything on Saturday. I slept. But yeah, I know you're out this weekend, but I think we're gonna try something next weekend. Ooh, here we go, guys. These guys don't even know what they got. Like, they don't even know what hit them. This is my... Oh, that guy knows the tricks. Oh my god. Oh man, no! Oh man. Mother effer. Man. That was so close. Man. Alright, one more round. Give you guys one more chance. Every Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Jeez, you go hard, bro. Ah, 2 long days, a cheater. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I believe it. Well, I will probably be... I've got Sammy and Azaria home, so... Yeah, I'll probably be finding something to do at the house. Yeah, so if you're around the like the White Bear area, North St. Paul area, you know, hit me up if you're bored in between crap. Not sure what neck of the woods you're gonna be at for the event, but yeah, I'll be around all weekend. So ooh. Nice.
We're not just investors, we're the crypto crew, rising from the ashes in something new, rejected no more in this digital space. We found our home in this
You know, I think I'm gonna have to hit up Revo and see if he's down to make some new tunes for us, because I think we need some extra, like, we got good songs, but I think we need some extra lyrics, like different lyrics too, you know, a few different songs, give it a little bit of a different vibe type, you know, whatnot. Might have to think that up, because I don't want to get into, yeah, right, yeah, definitely need more songs. Ooh, this one's fun. This is hilarious. Oh, they all win. Oh, sweet, I got lucky. Got really lucky. Alright guys, let's see if I can pull a W out here. Oh yeah, you can have the subject matter. I love it. Yeah, I'm about it, man. Like, and you know, I think it's gonna be freaking awesome too. As we start getting stuff going. Oh, I didn't even get all the way into the prizes that I was trying to tell you guys about earlier. Oh, I won this one already earlier. What I was gonna say though, when it came to the pixel jammers, is that I was really stoked about just the fact that I've got all these different blockchains ready to launch them across. So the original jammers were a 50,000 NFT collection, and I have went through and made a 400,000 NFT collection with the help of Uniki. And it is specifically built to be able to go across to expand up to 100 blockchains, and that's the whole purpose. Is I want to get as many people using the platform as possible, and this is gonna come down to, I don't know who's all with me here, but I'm a little worried. Nice. Yes, again. All right, look at that. That's another giveaway, you guys. We got 110 people on right now. So if you want to chat, all you gotta do, quote, retweet the live stream, tag a person or two. Good quote, like good tags, man. Like tag a good effort, mother effer. That's like somebody who's worth tagging. That's like the same person I always tag for giveaways. No, tag somebody that you want to actually like. Yo, check these guys out. They got some cool shit they're building, right? Tag some people you want to see cool stuff that's being built by real builders, really trying to make a serious impact in this entire in the entire industry. Like, nobody's built what we've built when it comes to the Clubhouse, and it's only going to get crazier, bigger, more in depth. And the goal is to bring more people on board to benefit from it, which is not, like, we're not trying to be greedy with it. We want this tech out there. We want people to use it. I think it's really the future for how community owned platforms can go, and what can happen. Like, people just gotta try it and see what happens. I think it's gonna be big. So take somebody, drop your soul wallet in the quoted retweet, pretty please, and I got prizes for you. So yeah, Pixel GMers, regular OG GMers. I've got rejects. I've got booster, rejected idle booster cards. I've got all sorts of different. And if you're, a community member from any other community, or you're just getting to know us, or say something. Let me know that you're interested in the project and what we're doing, and let me know, like, reach out. Hey, I might give you an OG reject and a couple to a few of your community members too. We're trying to onboard new members to the community and bring people into the to what we're creating, because as this platform goes, we've got founders passes that own 30% of the entire platform revenue. We've got just our OGs and our different PFPs in the rejects collection. They'll earn higher amounts of rejected tokens in their staking, and we'll be doing buybacks. We'll be doing more burns and liquidity adds. So the rejected tokens you earn through staking will get serious value through not just the Solana usage, but all these other EVM chains. Like Clubhouse Cred is specifically built. My tokenomics are built specifically with an omni-chain token to expand 1 billion tokens at 10 million per chain for 100 chains to start with. And then when we expand beyond that, we buy the tokens in order to be able to pay for the expansion to the next chain. That's the level that's the level of what this is. Like, in order for people, at that point, it's going to be blockchains will have to buy in, to be able to get that to happen. I've got some really cool concepts to push forward on this. And it's just like I'm just getting started with my ideas, you guys. Like, I've only been building myself for less than a year. Like, this is like development wise, like rejects, we are 3 years old now. And I've only known what I'm doing for the last 6 months, and really understanding things. Like, every day I'm learning more and more. Week by week, I'm getting more and more insight and knowledge as to my builds and my pipeline, and how to put things out, and security, just everything. I'm learning more and more and more. And I'm getting faster and faster too with all the different tools I've got. So I want to say I built 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I got like 9 platforms live right now that I've built by myself. In less than a year. Full stack, front, back, everything works, all on chain. So that's where we're at. So anyway, thanks for being a part of Hype Night tonight, guys. Like, once again, if you want to be a winner, I guarantee, I won tonight. So if you want to be a winner like me, all you have to do is do a quote retweet of the live stream. Give me a quote retweet. Do a little bookmark there for me. It helps the algorithm out, right? Tag a friend and drop your wallet. I do like the idea. You get bonus points if you do a rejected GIF in the chat, or in any of like the responses and stuff like that. I'll be doing sending prizes out tomorrow is my goal. And yeah, I'll be also finalizing. Yeah, turn this down a tiny bit. Yeah, so I'll be pretty much just finalizing a few things on the Binance EVM side for that platform, and I'll be announcing that tomorrow is my goal. And then I'll be whipping out a fully self-contained, self-managed token staking platform. Use your own wallets, enterprise level security for secrets and all that. Like I got this shit on point, you guys, and I'm confident as hell. So, it was a good night. Thanks for being a part of Hype Night. I hope all 113 people that are watching right now, take advantage of this giveaway. If you want a free NFT, I'm not gonna have you sign up or charge you anything. You don't by dropping your public wallet address, it doesn't I can't do anything with that besides see what you're holding, and I don't have the time to look at your guys' wallet. So I'm not trying to collect data. I just want to be able to give people quick, easy access and entry to my community, my different communities that I'm connected to, I'm building, and my ecosystem that I'm creating. So to my projects, join, hang out, check out what we're doing. Because I won't give things away for free much longer. I'll always do events and fun giveaways and hype nights and stuff like that. But I think the next month roughly is going to be up through the end of this year, is where I'm going to kind of go with when it comes to more of a higher level of just marketing budget when it comes to giveaways and onboarding new community members and stuff like that. I'm trying to work on getting some local blockchain groups. I'm even trying to get our local university, U of M campus involved. If any of you guys are watching, what's up? I'm Mr. Fungi. I reached out to, or started talking to one of your guys' members, but oh no, I want to give all those guys a whole welcome pack and NFT welcome pack to the different projects I have. So I mean, I'm talking like 5 NFTs a person. Come check out the rejects. Like, these are in real life people, personalized invitation. Welcome to the Clubhouse ecosystem from me to you guys. And Minnesota Blockchain Initiative, I want to give out a pack of 50 welcome packs too, and the university. So fingers crossed. I want to bring about 100 new people in, and that's no strings attached. Just say hi. It doesn't cost anybody to have a Discord or create a wallet. It's free. So that is happening, and we'll see when that actually goes live and whatnot. But yeah, that's the direction I'm going with that too. So, but otherwise, let's see here. That was a fun win. What am I up to now? Man, that's some good experience. Oh, 39 wins, you guys. I'm at 39 wins. I don't have a club yet, so what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to get some gems, and we're gonna be. It takes 100. Yeah, it takes 100 to make my own club. So I'll be making a club for us here in the near future, and I am really excited because I think we're gonna top this club out. Like, there's not a lot of. Oh, I guess there's competition. So, but my thought is we do. I've been really more focused on trying to show people the platforms and stuff in the past for different events, for the hype nights and whatnot. Because I'm so used to doing marbles and rumbles and stuff, right? But I forgot I can still do giveaways and stumbles at the same time. it's just harder for people to watch and play stumbles also versus play marbles, that kind of thing. Um, so yeah, I do notice that we get a good group that comes through X, and I think the big opportunity there for you guys will be helping retweet stuff. So all the retweets and whatnot through there, that's going to be probably the most focus I have, or the higher, or the more focus I have for the giveaways and whatnot. But anyway, outside of that, I think that's really about all I've got left for you guys tonight. Yeah, I think so. So, yeah, I think that's everything, you guys. So, I appreciate hanging out tonight. Hope you guys enjoy your prizes. Like I said, do not forget to do the retweet, the quote retweet with your information, specifically the wallet and a tag. You get bonuses for rejected gifts. So Tenor has you just type in RJCTD and you'll be able to choose from like 45, 50 some different gifts. And that gets you bonus points when I choose the NFTs I'm sending out. So hint, hint, nudge, nudge. Saturday, 4:20 Eastern, Zombie Rumble races. Yeah. See, that time of the day is always the most difficult for me. It's middle of the afternoon. I'll try to make it, but make sure you check out Canosol's Zombie Rumble races on Sundays at 4:20 Eastern. And yeah, maybe we'll have Snoop hanging out, Snoop the Fox hanging out with us at 10 a.m. Eastern this Sunday for the next Hype Night. Yeah, I appreciate it, guys. Have a good rest of your Wednesday night, everybody. I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'll see you guys around throughout the Discord tomorrow. Peace.
In the valley of rejection, we stand alone, facing the world, hearts turn to stone. But in crypto's realm, a new dawn breaks, a community forms, forging our own state. We're not just investors, we're the crypto crew, rising from the ashes in something new. Rejected no more in this digital space. We found our home in this crypto place. Through the ups and downs, in the market's wild swings, we've learned to adapt to the world that crypto brings. Together we stand in this decentralized sphere, a testament to resilience for all to hear. We're not just investors, we're the crypto crew, rising from the ashes in something new. Rejected no more in this digital space. We found our home in this crypto place. Ooh, yeah. Oh. Through the ups and downs, in the market's wild swings, we've learned to adapt to the world that crypto brings. Together we stand in this decentralized sphere, a testament to resilience for all.